Good morning, I hope everyone's well today. Thank you for watching. I wanted to outline a few things that I've outlined on my channel before, and I'll continue to outline until the message sinks in. No international body, no international treaty, no international court has authority over the United Kingdom and sovereignty of our land, which is the Crown or King, in Parliament, unless Parliament says it does. When people say we cannot return the small boats to France because there's no international water and we don't have an agreement with France, that is not correct. What is correct is you've got a bunch of MPs down in London that don't want to annoy the French. It's not about international law, it's about what's considered acceptable in polite society. It's not the interests of the British people, it's not the interests of me, my neighbour, my mum, or anybody watching this channel. It's about what they deem socially acceptable. There's other YouTube channels that will either knowingly or unknowingly mislead you and tell you that we have no such thing as an executive order in the United Kingdom. This again is false. They are not called executive orders in the UK, they are called orders in council. It's how government gets its business through, and it can legislate on the hoof, and it doesn't even need to go through Parliament. What it does, it takes batches of requests to the monarch, and they're called orders in council. They convene, I think it's once a month, wherever the king is holding court, and the batches of orders are read out and the monarch formally approves them. Any statute can be put through this way. The caveat that some may argue is it needs to be in the manifesto, because there is parliamentary convention. That means that no opposition party will overrule or try to veto anything that you've been elected on in a manifesto. So if the government really wanted to, it could stop the small boats tomorrow. It could pass a decree or an order in council, shall I say, approved by the monarch in the name of the king, to say that no illegal immigrants can claim benefits in the United Kingdom for 5 years. It could say that anybody that arrives illegally will never get indefinite leave to remain. It could say that even if you are illegal migrants, you cannot actually claim benefits in the United Kingdom or claim social housing or benefits in the UK unless you've been here for a certain amount of time. I would say 5 years, some people may say 10, some people may say never. The point of the matter is, Parliament is sovereign. When you get Reform UK or other political parties blaming the ECHR for why we can't do certain things, again, technically that's a fig leaf, that's not even true, that is a distraction, I tell you. You can legislate in Parliament, the King in Parliament signs it into law, and what that actually does is you can disapply anything. So even if we're subject to a refugee convention, the 1951 I think refugee convention with the UN, or the ECHR, human rights, you can simply say, when we're dealing with illegals, this does not apply. Job's done. Simple as. Simple solutions. What you get down in Parliament is a lot of the chattering classes and professional classes. A lot of these people are legal analysts and they are lawyers or solicitors. They tend to look at things too hard and they tend to answer the wrong questions when they don't want the right ones answered. All of this could be solved day one. If I was Prime Minister, I know you can dream, I'd be brilliant, but you can dream. I'd be down in Dover, day one, ordering the King's Royal Navy to stop the southern invasion. Those are my words, your mileage may vary. Stop the boats. Now again, some people can argue that the numbers in the small boats is a distraction. It's just a visual to the much broader problem of migration in general. The point of the matter is, the Parliament is sovereign, the King's legal powers to actually enact absolute reign and rule over the country is intact. whilst it is caveated with the discretion of parliaments, this is the system we've got. We just need dedicated individuals that cannot be bought, which is why they should be independently wealthy, or at least conviction politicians. If you like this video and you think I'm laying it out, straight talking, straight shooting, as it should be, you let me know. You comment below if you think I'm clinically insane. I trust you think I am not, or you would not be subscribed. I know the Constitution, unwritten though we have it in Britain. I know how it should work, and it's not why Britain is currently working. Britain isn't working because the people ruling us don't want it to work. If you like this video, let me know, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. You have a good morning. Thank you.